Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you guys can increase your uh, virtual RAM on your PC or laptop. So first of all, you just need to go to start menu, right click on the computer, go to properties, click on the advanced system settings, go to performance and settings, click here on the advanced, and you can see this virtual memory option change, uncheck, and check the custom size. Well, you need to write here initial size, which is mine 2046. You can say this, just write here 2046, and max size, as you can see this, it is written here 30 and 69. Click as set. Okay. So as you can see, this message, restart your computer. This is the message. Okay. Now this changes might require your restart computer. If you restart your computer, the changes will automatically apply to your computer. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.